Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over Leetcode path sum question. Major tech companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, LinkedIn are asking this question while they're conducting their technical interviews. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful for your technical interview preparation. Let's start with reading the question. Given a binary tree and a sum, determine if the tree has a root to leaf path such that adding up all the values along the path equals the given sum. Note, a leaf is a node with no children. So basically we are given a binary tree and we are looking for a root to leaf path, and these values should add up to the given sum. We are given a sum in integer number. We will add all these values and count up to the sum, and we will return either true or false. We are not returning the path numbers, so it will be either true or false. And in this case, there exists a path 5, 4, 11, 2, which sums 22. So this is the path we're looking for. Let's get on the whiteboard and try to solve this question. So we are given a tree, and the sum we are looking for is 22. And this is a tree we have. In the recursive function, so this is the recursive function we have. Each time when we return, we need to call the same function in the doing the recursion, but sending the needed value as the integer sum. For example, first we need 22. That's the given number. We are at the root level and we're traversing the left subtree. So what we do is we'll subtract 5 from 22, and what we need is 17. Then we will send 17 to the function again. Then we will subtract 4 and send 13 to the function. Then subtract 11, send 2. And when we hit the leaf node, if our value is 0, then that means we found the path. So this is pretty much what we need to do. Okay, the first call we send 22, then 17, 13. We are doing recursion here. And we are traversing left and right subtrees. 13, 2, and finally we hit the leaf node. If we find 0, in this case we find -5, so this is not going to work. If we find 0, that means this is a path we are looking for. Let's see this on the code and see how it works. Okay, this is where we break the loop. If root is null, then that means we hit the leaf node, so we return. End of leaf node, sorry. If root has left and null, this is where we check the leaf node. Root.left is equal to null. Root.right is equal to null. Then this means it's a leaf node. And the needed value, sum minus root.value, is 0. So we consumed all the needed values in the previous calls. So this time we are looking for 0. And we constantly return has path sum minus root.value, which is the needed value. Send it to the left subtree, send it to the right subtree. And until we reach the leaf node. When we hit the leaf node, if we have sum of totals 0, that means we have a total number of 22 and we find the path. So we will simply return true. The question is not asking from us to return the path, so we can simply return true or false. Let's submit and see. Okay, this worked. So this is pretty much it for this question. It's very simple. You just need to understand the recursion. There are other ways of solving this question using stacks and queues and breadth first search, etc. But this is I think the easiest way of doing this. And I hope this was a helpful tutorial for you. And I'll come back with other videos. So if you subscribe to my channel, we can meet again later. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.